Does manual washing effectively clean and decontaminate your laboratory glassware? Is it safe? Manual washing is very time-consuming. Hand washing glassware is labor-intensive, especially with hard-to-reach places inside lab glassware. Manual washing results in high glassware breakage and potential injuries. Washing glassware materials by hand is wasteful of water. Manual washing does not always fully remove chemical and hazardous liquid waste from the glassware. Therefore, it can jeopardize the results. How can you make sure washing provides reliably clean glassware? Save up to 25% of water consumption and up to 30% energy when using a high disinfection thermal glassware washer for pre-sterilization disinfection. Automated cleaning and drying of laboratory glassware will kill a multitude of microorganisms. Tuttnauer high disinfection thermal washers provide effective decontamination, washing, and drying for a wide range of different glassware and other materials commonly used in laboratories, supported by a wide range of racks, nozzles, spindles, and accessories. An external or built-in printer allows for traceability and record-keeping. Safe and efficient cleaning, decontamination, and drying of laboratory glassware. High-end glassware washer for laboratories, bringing over 95 years of professionalism into your laboratory.